I did it. It's so cute. What's up, y'all? What's Papa locking, y'all? One of my friends is about to get proposed to, which is really cool. It's like my first opportunity to like be a part of something like this. So, and also see it in person. I've never seen somebody get engaged. I'm processing a lot right now, but I wanted to give her a gift after, you know, everybody, you know, congratulates her and all that good stuff. So finding some things. I don't really like the size of this, but maybe I could just keep looking, but it's 50% off. That's cute. I don't know if you can really use it. $12.99. And where is the sale? Wait a minute. Maybe I should get this. It's cute. This section don't have a sale. Let me see out this section. See all that? So cute, but there's no sale. So they have a white one in the front, and I can use one of these and customize it and put bride on the side of it. So that's what I want to do, but I'm gonna get the white one. Her new initials would be I forgot his last name actually. Oops. But I'm gonna look that up. I like to put stuff in my cart and then stare at it for a second. So we're gonna do that. Everything's not coming with me. We just need to look at it, have it in front of us. I just try to see how can I be inspired. I want to be inspired. You know what? I need to see if they maybe have a planner. Maybe they have like a bridal planner. I know they got this one online, but $70 is crazy. I'm not buying it. All right, I'll call that somewhat successful. I have a few more things. I really want to get a cup so I can put the word bride on it, or find one that has it that's actually cute. That'd be the thing. Bride to be. Let's see what they're talking about. So I found a planner, organizer. Hopefully that's helpful. I also really like this couple right here for $32. How about that? One of the ladies inside, the cashier, she was like, "Oh, are you getting married?" Or someone else. I said, someone else. Try not to have those reminders. I was like, actually, I'm restarting. We just pressed the reset button. But I'm fine. I didn't tell her all that, but I just thought it was funny because I was like, little do you know, ma'am, we stay encouraged because God will make a way. My day is not over. I really do want to finish this basket today. Once again, have not cleaned that makeup thing off the ceiling. I want to go and finish this. I'm supposed to be going to a 4th of July cookout around 4:30. Right now it's hitting 2 o'clock. And I have yet to get back home. So we got a lot to do because I'm finishing this today. No other day do I want to get towards this, just because I want to be done. I just want to be done. All right, let's keep going. See you in the Hobby Lobby. Now, hobby gonna have something. Hobby gonna have your bag. They have elevated so much. But this is great for the actual wedding, but not necessarily what I'm trying to do. But I could put one of these in there. 16. Be for real. This is $8. No. Okay, so I'm gonna get this. It says laughter and happily ever after. So my planner. I don't know what day it starts on, but
stop.
What?
Cause I wouldn't want to forget you vlogging and I say something. Stop it! I gotta ask you a question. Then you can vlog again.
What?
Stop it!
Well, we're going to Taco Fest. I just want to tell y'all this. Taco Fest. And then that escalated. Okay, see y'all when we get there. Can you at least say something to them?
I'm driving, so I can't look.
Here we go. Bye. We made it downtown. See, that's all I'm telling you. We downtown. Royal Oak to go to Taco Fest. Okay. The what? Okay. The craft roach. Cause what? Now I'm assuming it's in the same spot as usual, but why everybody walking that way? See my mouth burning, child. Just tried the Jammin' Caribbean. What? The Jammin' Caribbean fusion truck. The oxtail has great flavor. But I think the jerk chicken one, taco, took me out.
Yeah, let him see you eat it.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
Can I eat the rest?
Alright y'all, so you already know that wall is a little different. Got the little iron on. I'm gonna put it What? Put on the shirt. And see how this goes and flows. So I got the A to go on the shirt, and the back is gonna say brides. And I think it's gonna be cute. And I can put this back right. This is reusable. Let's take a. Oh, where y'all go?
The ruler over there if you need to measure your time.
I don't need to measure. Oh, that's a real. Now, why would they put this tough of a sticker on a shirt?
What happened to my cup thing?
What cup thing?
My Cricut cup.
I don't know where you put that thing. Y'all, I gotta first do it like this on the thing. Take this off. Put the brown thing down. Then I gotta flip it in, the whole shirt inside out, and do it again. I kind of earned it. All right, y'all, we coming along nicely. I just added that, and I told my mama, keep staring at it. I think it's called something else. Okay, you're fine. Stop that. But it's a bride, child. It's a bride. It's so cute. And then they ain't a friend a while. I did it. It's so cute. Oh, wow. It's a little heavy, too. Okay, quality. Then the A in the front. Guys, I know it's backwards, but it's so cute. All right, so I also have this Mrs. thing. It's just a sticker, but now I'm like, maybe I can use the E40 glue and glue it onto this right here. Is that not cute? It's so cute. And she like fanny packs, so that's why we're doing this. It's coming together. I love it. So I like the denim one because I don't think she has denim, but I do have a black one. But I think the denim looks better. Right, Ma? Does the denim look better or the black one? The black one does collect a little dust, but I know it's gonna probably definitely pop more off of this. It does. It is more universal, but I don't think she has a denim fanny pack, y'all. Ma, I gotta go with denim. I'm gonna use this. Very sticky back, very sticky. But we're gonna E60 it, E40, whatever it's called, to make sure that it sticks. Once I find the glue, it's somewhere. God is for me. Okay, I've been looking for hoop earrings. They sit up here in the crafts area. You in the wrong spot. Next, I need to use my Cricut machine and cut something out. So this is so cute. Got a little the foil vinyl, and then I'm gonna put, I don't know what I'm gonna put on here. Don't that look so cute off of that?
Yeah. But why you keep going back and forth?
Because of my box. I think she got so many black. That's why I was trying to give a different color. Okay, feel this material. This is gonna stick on here, right?
That's different.
I know, right? You think it'll stick fine?
Test it out. Test any vinyl.
But yeah, test it. Test it. This is true. Test it. Okay. Okay. It's time to go to sleep.
Glad I'm not in the video looking like that.
Girl.
Let me fly back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
No.
6, 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 8, 8, 8.
This is what I got so far. So, like, you know, these two go together. You know what I'm saying? And then these two go together. Is it's not hot? Stick this on here. Like, do you feel like this is necessary to give somebody a gift after getting engaged? This gift is more so like, so she can put her ring into something and have it in there, and then have her bride shirt while she's just, you know, going around looking at venues, and then also a planner to stay organized. Mine is more so about her just having something to put the ring, planning for the wedding, and something cute to wear while she's planning it. So these are the two best aids I saw so far. And then maybe I can put, oh, hold on. Maybe that's cute. Hold on. Okay, I just ended up finding a cup that looks like it because that was not working for me. All right, so we got the ring situation going. So this is what I'm thinking. It's not the best A. I could find a better A, but do you get what I'm saying? You get it? I think that's cute. Okay, maybe I messed up somewhere, because that's not gonna work for me. That's ugly. Okay, but you see where I'm going. And if I don't put nothing on here, it's that. I think this is cute by itself, honestly. Take your time. It's so... Oh my goodness. Look at it. that's cute. Wow. That's why I like the Cricut machine, because like you can do like certain things. There are some people that know how to do a lot of things on there. I'm not that person. I know how to do some things. Looking at stuff.
Well, I'm assuming you seen me, but I can see me. That's why I'm
Oh, there you go. These are $90, and please tell me why. Okay. These?
And these are $90, and please tell us the discounts because they
cute, but hold on, like you. I know, right? All right, it's the last piece of my other this glue I gotta get. I just see this all I wanted. I just wanted to stick it in there. All right, so I was gonna go to the gym, but they're closed. So we got some things at home, and I'm just gonna work out here. I only have so many things. I do have a band. I don't know where it's at though. And we're just gonna focus on what I can here. I mean, there's a lot of things you can do at home, obviously, right? So many videos out there, but we're gonna do a little bit of glute and leg and abs. Attempt that.